Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye.
Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to create a 3D zoom transition on Capcut, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. So with that being said, let's get started. Firstly, add your photos into Capcut. Next, add 3D zoom animation to all your photos. Now let's see the animation. Now that we have added the 3D zoom animation, let's add flash transitions to all the photos. Tap on transitions, go to light effects and select flash. Set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Now see the final results. Then export your video. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.